Shit, the comments like looking. All right.
Mercedes still with us?
No, the Mercedes pulled off.
Oh, okay.
I switched. Yeah, we're good.
I'm letting that truck go a little further.
Lee, how's my camera look? Like, is it still upright?
Anything I don't need.
Alright, bet. Thanks.
What's up with your best friend?
You guys ready?
Take it out.
Yes, sir.
Book it.
Get ready. You might want to put.
2, 3.
Oh my god. That's bad. Nah, bro, that's how I cannot handle this shit. Yes, I cannot handle this shit. Oh my god, I think I pushed it too much. I looked at too much.
Oh my god, these are roads.
Oh my god, no, I gotta go slower. I'm trying to keep up with them. Holy shit, now this car cannot take it. This car can't take it. Thank god it's front wheel, because otherwise I would've been fucked. I'm staying in second and third. I'm trying to ideally stay in second. Oh my god. That shit was actually
Is that scary for you?
Yeah, because you're in the car with me, and also I don't want to wreck this car. That shit was scary. I literally like...
What's fucking off-roading right now? Oh my god, I just hit a fucking deep pothole. I saw that shit.
I think I know I accelerated on the turn too. I shouldn't have done that.
You think so? It was fucking hard, yo. Shit!
Damn.
That was a nice car.
God damn, sir. I like how bumpy this fucking road is, bro.
Oh, I'm dead ass
Yeah, it's not like this the whole way. It's just this road, I guess.
Oh my god. Nah, I'm not going more than 40. 40 is like my max. I'm sorry, Lee. If you want to go in front, you can go.
That's Cindy. Where should we park? Well, there should be a parking lot at the place. That's where the map is going to.
Fuck it along.
If it's these straights, like slight curves, I'm about it. Oh my god, look to the left. This guy, Vinny. He's either about to do some crazy shit, or he like knows his limits. Oh wait, Jose's gone. Where's Jose? Oh my god. This shit's fire. This shit's so fire.
It's fun.
I gotta be careful around those bendy bendies because
Make my stomach fucking go up or some shit.
What is it?
somebody's stomach. What's that? So make sure you don't drop your phone.
That's not supposed to be there.
Can we pull over here or maybe not actually?
Did we lose Jose?
I didn't. I literally was just saying that.
Is that crazy?
Oh no, I see him. He's there.
God.
It looks like it's a little rainy.
Oh, this shit's so beautiful. What?
To the spot, guys.
Would you ever do camping, like in a tent?
You gotta go around the roundabout.
Maybe. I'd be down to.
I only did it once in my life.
That right there.
I rolled down my window so they don't see me.
Stay with her, gang.
That shit is clean.
That's Bear Mountain Bridge. That's what I wanted to tell you about.